Welcome to English Shadowing Practice. In this session, we will focus on 3 simple tenses: present simple, past simple, and future simple. Listen carefully, then say each phrase out loud. Remember to breathe naturally between sentences. Before we begin, remember the usage of each tense. Present simple describes habits, facts, or routines. Past simple describes completed actions in the past. Future simple describes predictions or decisions made now. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. I woke up at 6 a.m. yesterday morning. I woke up at 6 a.m. yesterday morning. I will wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. I will wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. I eat toast for breakfast daily. I eat toast for breakfast daily. I ate toast for breakfast yesterday. I ate toast for breakfast yesterday. I will eat toast for breakfast tomorrow. I will eat toast for breakfast tomorrow. She walks to work every day. She walks to work every day. She walked to work yesterday. She walked to work yesterday. She will walk to work tomorrow. She will walk to work tomorrow. I study English for 1 hour. I study English for 1 hour. I studied English for 1 hour yesterday. I studied English for 1 hour yesterday. I will study English for 1 hour tomorrow. I will study English for 1 hour tomorrow. He watches TV in the evening. He watches TV in the evening. He watched TV last night. He watched TV last night. He will watch TV tonight. He will watch TV tonight. They read books before sleeping. They read books before sleeping. They read 3 books last month. They read 3 books last month. They will read more books next week. They will read more books next week. We go to the gym on Mondays. We go to the gym on Mondays. We went to the gym last Monday. We went to the gym last Monday. We will go to the gym next Monday. We will go to the gym next Monday. My mother cooks dinner every evening. My mother cooks dinner every evening. My mother cooked dinner last night. My mother cooked dinner last night. My mother will cook dinner tonight. My mother will cook dinner tonight. I clean my room once a week. I clean my room once a week. I cleaned my room last Saturday. I cleaned my room last Saturday. I will clean my room next Saturday. I will clean my room next Saturday. We buy groceries every Sunday. We buy groceries every Sunday. We bought groceries last Sunday. We bought groceries last Sunday. We will buy groceries next Sunday. We will buy groceries next Sunday. He calls his best friend regularly. He calls his best friend regularly. He called his best friend an hour ago. He called his best friend an hour ago. He will call his best friend later today. He will call his best friend later today. I take a shower after exercise. I take a shower after exercise. I took a shower after yoga yesterday. I took a shower after yoga yesterday. I will take a shower after swimming tomorrow. I will take a shower after swimming tomorrow. She drinks coffee every morning. She drinks coffee every morning. She drank 2 cups yesterday morning. She drank 2 cups yesterday morning. She will drink coffee this evening. She will drink coffee this evening. They write emails during office hours. They write emails during office hours. They wrote 5 emails yesterday. They wrote 5 emails yesterday. They will write reports by Friday. They will write reports by Friday. I drive to the city twice a month. I drive to the city twice a month. I drove to the city last weekend. I drove to the city last weekend. I will drive to the city next month. I will drive to the city next month. We visit our parents on weekends. We visit our parents on weekends. We visited our parents last Sunday. We visited our parents last Sunday. We will visit them next holiday. We will visit them next holiday. The gardener plants trees in spring. The gardener plants trees in spring. The gardener planted trees last season. The gardener planted trees last season. The gardener will plant trees this afternoon. The gardener will plant trees this afternoon. They play football every Saturday. They play football every Saturday. They played football last Saturday. They played football last Saturday. They will play football next Saturday. They will play football next Saturday. I learn new vocabulary every day. I learn new vocabulary every day. I learned 20 words yesterday. I learned 20 words yesterday. I will learn 30 words tomorrow. I will learn 30 words tomorrow. She saves money for future goals. She saves money for future goals. She saved her salary last month. She saved her salary last month. She will save more from her bonus. She will save more from her bonus. Great job! Keep repeating these structures daily, and soon you'll use them naturally without thinking. Remember to bookmark this video so you can come back anytime. Share this with your friends who also want to learn English.